I hope everyone is doing well and enjoying their lives. Today video is a bit informative because in the modern age almost everyone uses Facebook. One of the most annoying aspect of Facebook is its notification system. You can be mentioned without permissions, or there this new features on Facebook called batch everyone, which allows anyone in a group you have joined to mention you. In fact, sometimes your friends add you to a group without asking, and because of this, many important notifications get lost amidst it unnecessary spam mentions. So here's a quick solution for this. And then settings and privacy. Once you open the setting, here you will see the notification option on the left side. Just click on it, and then in the middle you can see the tag option. Just go over there and scroll down until you'll get here the batch mention. Just turn this option off so you won't get any notification from group where pupils are just mentioning without knowing you. It's just like this. Let me show you. Okay, after closing this, now the notifications are removed as well. So yeah, that's it for today, guys. I hope this video is really informative for you as well. See you in the next video. Till then, just take yourself. Allah Hafiz. Bye bye. And don't forget to subscribe for more interesting videos. And if you are facing any issues related to the PC or any game error, just let me know in the comment section. I'll try to respond to you as soon as possible. Till then, just take yourself. Allah Hafiz. Bye bye.